I love doing my job. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the right and the wrong way to clean windows. You guys can like really see how dirty that window is. Do you want to? Oh, it's got a collapsed. I wonder if it'll still work. You want just a mist like that, and then what you want to do is take, oh, I don't know, 4 or 5 paper towels, and then you want to fold them in half, or we'll fold them or whatever, enough to where it makes something, enough to where it makes this, okay? And then you want to just go after it like it's nobody's business. Now before, when I clean windows, when I cleaned them on that 7200, I thought you just used one paper towel at a time, but no, you don't. So yeah, and the outside is just, it's just filthy. So wipe it all until it's dry, until you can feel some resistance from wiping it on the glass, and then you know it's dry. Okay, scoot this seam up here so that I can get at this window right. Oh, really? Just a quick burst like that. You take the same towel, or the same the same towel that you used on that window. You do this one. Switch hands here. Make sure to get it all dried off so that it doesn't smear or streak, and that's the problem that I've had when I try to clean windows is, you know, I wouldn't do this. Actually, I didn't know about this trick until Pete showed me. But I mean, just look at that. Looks good on the inside. And then once it gets so dirty, you open it up to another spot, and then you can go at it. But you only need just a little bit, and that is all the more that you need. You can even drag the stuff. You can even like drag it up here and use it up here. It helps so you don't have to use so much of it. But the more you put on the glass, then the longer it takes to take the stuff off, which you'll learn as you go. This isn't something that, you know, you do overnight. It takes practice to get it right. Okay, since I ruined that one by accident, I'll get another one. I'll bring you guys back when it's done. So before, what would take, 6, 7 individual paper towels to do the front windshield or the glass, now takes like 5 or 6, but you roll them, you fold them up, and then you can See, I used just one side on the glass. Now I can use the one side for down there or the same side for down there. There's what it looks like on the outside. All dirtied up. We can make it clean again. You guys can't see that very clearly. I know you can't. There, just used a little bit of glass cleaner that was left over on this rag. So now let's go around here. That cap corner right back there. I got a little bit of a smudge, but I can't reach that. But overall, it don't look too bad. It really don't look too bad. Now, at least I'm trying. It's the only thing that matters. Yeah, see, this is what just aggravates me. Well, no. No, that's on the inside. I didn't even get down here. What the heck? Oh. See, this is the kind of stuff that just honks me off. Is I think I do a good job, but in reality, nope. It looks like shit. But like I said, you can't do this stuff overnight. It don't work like that. Plus, I think the glass is maybe screwed up down there at the bottom anyhow. Well, maybe it's not. Well, maybe it is. I don't know. Ah! Darn it. Didn't mean to do that. Let me see once. Ah. I think the glass is maybe screwed up down here, but clean enough. So I learned just from watching Pete clean windows that, and him explaining, all in all, you don't really make a whole mess of paper towels, but you go through a fair bit of them. I mean, this is a lot more neat and tidied up than just having them all strung over the ground here and everything. But yeah, and I didn't even really go through that many paper towels. It's about what, quarter of a roll, halfway. Man, it ain't getting daylight very much. And it's only 7:16, 7:15. Man. Huh. Okay. Maybe I'll just wait a little bit. So I've got this Meyer stuff, and I want to see if good old Amazon has it. MEGUI, and there it is. Okay, good. They do have it, so I can just add to my cart and all that kind of stuff. So thank you, Mom, for buying that for me for, I think it was Christmas last year, and I'm just now getting around to using it. So I've used it on my John Deere Gator, the upholstery, and I just love it to no end. The shine just, it holds and holds and holds whereas Armor All kind of depletes over time. And I didn't even use, I used a little over half a bottle to do my gator, so use the stuff pretty sparingly. So what's it say on the directions here? Let me look at them, because I gotta look at this close, because I can't see. So you're just supposed to spray and wipe off. Okay, easy enough. Just because, you know, I'm that guy. Well, it'd help if you turn the thing on first. Let's see what it does to this here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It brings a shine right out. Look how much dirt it got. Oh yeah, I think I found my new cleaning product, guys, that I like. Cool. Okay, so we'll lay that there. Put these over here. They're my clean ones. Shut these vents because I don't like getting that stuff in these vents. Yeah, I know Pete will say, oh, you just, you know, you fuck with everything. Well, you know what? I don't care what you say. Do it my way, so, yeah. I feel like this Meyer stuff too. Meyer, merger, however you pronounce it. I feel like it don't attract the dust as bad. Which it might, and it might not. But it don't hurt to clean stuff. There. Dad's like, oh, just use Armor All. No, Armor All attracts too much dust. There was a, what was it, John Deere 7810. I seen, oops. Stupid horn. That I found on Machinery Trader, or not Machinery Trader, Machinery Pete. The thing had, I kid you not, every bit of 900 hours. Yep, you guys heard me. 900 hours. Now, what do you guys think it went for? It went for, well, I'll just let you guys think. It went for 170,000. It was a 1999 John Deere 7810, just like ours. You know, it had the duals and everything, and the fender lights for going down the road. But I couldn't believe it. 170,000. That just goes to show that you ought to hang on to this older stuff. That stuff brings value. So enough yammering, let me get to cleaning here. So one thing you don't want to do is clean the upholstery and then clean the windows, or clean the windows and then clean the upholstery, because yeah, you will get overspray. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Clean, and it even brings back the shine too that it's supposed to have. I love this stuff. I really, really do. A lot better than Armor All. But one thing that you want to try to remember is clean windows after using this stuff, because you'll get overspray and all that crap, and it just, I know I goofed up, but it's a learning curve. It's a learning experience. Yeah. Man, I'm gonna make a whole video just out of cleaning that nobody will watch. But oh well. I enjoy stuff like this. So I know what you guys are probably thinking. You're probably going, oh my gosh, you know, what, you're not gonna put that on the floor, are you? Yep, I am. If I can get in here right. I'll take this other can out of here. Put that up there on the seat. And get just a little bit of water here. And the way you do this is you just go with the grain and you look at it, bring up all that schnutz and everything. And I think somebody that I've seen makes a tractor mat that goes in this thing. But you know what? I got nothing else to do today, so I might as well just spend a little time cleaning this cab out, because it needs done, and it's going to get done. It's going to get done right. Yeah, a tractor, one of those tractor mats that I've seen advertised online would be nice for this thing, but I don't see Dad doing that. I just don't. But I don't know. Then again, you know, I might try and convince him. I don't know. The nice thing about water is you just got to put it down, and it will just dry on its own. I don't use no soap or nothing, because how in the world are you gonna get all that stuff out of the little crevices here and all that? Oh boy. I'll bring you back when I'm done. There it is. One clean tractor cab. So now we'll move on to something different. So I didn't really anticipate on this turning into a cleaning video, but you know what? It is what it is. And a cleaning video it has turned out to be. So let me go get that 6120 started, and we'll get to work on that.